Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. So in this video, we'll show you an additional over 3 and under 7 strategy. Okay, so for those who have not watched the previous over under videos, just go to the channel, watch them first, and then come back to this video. So remembering all the conditions I told you last time, I will add you one more strategy. So whenever you want to trade over 3, this is what you should do. Whenever you want to trade over 3, you will wait for the ticker to touch either 0 or 1. Not to touch 0 and 1. You can wait for it to touch either. If it touches 0, you place over 3. If it touches 1, you place over 3. That is all other conditions constant. The green bar and the red bar obviously should be above 3, as you know. Alright? And for under 7, you should wait for the ticker to touch either 9 or 8 and then you place under. I repeat, either 9 or 8. Not 9 and 8. Either it can touch 9 and then you can place under. It can touch 8 and you can place under. Okay? But also the other strategies I said are also correct. So I want to show you how it works. So we'll begin by looking for a good market, for a market that has the conditions for over 3 or under 7 that we require. So let us begin. Just use the 1S. The 1S markets are very good because they are more stable and they do not change that often. So it can be easily predictable. Okay. So this is under 7. This is not a predictable market. Okay, so I provided an additional strategy where I said that whenever you trade under 7, the green bar should be in front of the red bar. Now, many people are confused when I say this. What I mean is like you see here, the red bar is at 0 and the green bar is at 3. So it should be the other way around. So the green bar should be above, in front of the red bar. So the red bar should be, let's say, at 3 and the green bar at 0. Because that will show that the under market is stronger, okay? Whenever the green bar is in this position and the red bar in this position, it shows that the over market is stronger, and so you might end up losing your money. So we will not use this market. All right. Okay. So because whenever you trade over 3, we want the red bar and the green bar both to be above 3 for us to trade it. All right. I don't want you to forget that. Okay. This is over 1 market, but you're looking for an over 3 market. So you want to see a market which will apply all the strategies that we'll speak about in this video. Okay, so this is a beautiful under 7 market. A very beautiful under 7 market. So just come and set your stake. So make sure you set 1 tick. As you can see, my ticks were 10. Always confirm that you have set 1 tick, because confusing ticks can really mess your trading. So you can come here and change it to the tick you want. So I'll put mine at 1 tick. Let me change it. Make sure you also change your ticks. All right. Once you are done, make sure it should be always 1 tick, no more than that, no less than that. All right. After you do that, you make sure it is over under. You make sure you have set it to 7. All right. But what has just happened? The market has changed. Now the market has become an over market. The over market is now stronger. So that is an avoidable market, and we can see that you have so this has become an over market. So just shift. Never become impatient, all right? In trading, never become impatient. You'll become impatient and you will lose your money, and then you will stay like 3 to 4 weeks without trading, and then you come back. Always be patient with trading, all right? Just be patient. Okay, this is what is this? Okay, so the market has changed over. So it seems today the over markets are really, really strong. They are really, really pioneering the under markets. You are trying to look for an over 3 or under 7 market. So this can be an under 7 because the red bar is at a 7 and the green bar is below 7. So yeah, it can work for under 7. All right. But what has just happened again? You have 2 green bars, which shows the market is unstable. Okay. So we'll just skip that part and then we come back to volatility 10, 1S. Again, this is no, because the red bar also should be below 7 for us to trade. So just keep changing. We'll just change again. We go to volatility 25, 1S. This is also not a predictable. Whenever you see that there is no 1S market that meets your requirements, now shift to the normal volatilities. So we'll go to volatility 10 because you have seen no 1S market is obeying our strategy. Okay. So this is under 7. Yeah, this is a good under 7 market, by the way, because the red bar is below 7 and the green bar is below 7, and the green bar is in front of the red bar. All right, so it shows us that the under market is stronger. All right, don't confuse that. So we'll come here, make sure everything is set correctly, and then we wait for the ticker to touch either 9 or 8, and then we place under 7. So now it is at 2. Now it is at 6, 9 under. You have placed under right now. You have placed under. As you can see, it is a win. All right. We wait again for it to touch either 9 or 8. Either 9 or 8. This is a good one because you don't have to wait for long periods of time for it to touch two numbers. You can just wait for it to touch one of the numbers and then you place your trade and leave the market. Okay, so we wait for it. Now it's at 4. It is at 3 again. It's at 2. It is at 3 again. 4 again. Just wait under. Why? Because it has touched. Good. As you can see, it is a win. All right. Now it is pretty much simple. You just wait for it to touch either 9 or 8. Don't wait for it to touch both numbers. Okay, so for the previous videos, I said that you should wait for it to touch 2 or 3 numbers. Yes, that can work, but this is much easier because you don't have to wait for odious amounts of time for it to touch 2. So whenever it touches either 9 or 8, you place. Now the same applies to 3. Whenever it touches either 0 or 1, you place over. Okay. So you guys just go try it. It works the same way, and go try it, practice it, and if it works for you, let me know in the comment section. If it doesn't work, also let me know. I will improve on the strategy. If you have any question pertaining anything, just put it in the comment section or WhatsApp me. My number is in the bio, and we will chat. Thank you for watching and good luck. And please subscribe because it keeps us pushing and growing, and it greatly encourages our team. Thank you for watching and good luck.